Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. Agri Exam is here to continue the series of daily one-liner questions of agronomical crops, and in this session we will have a discussion regarding cotton, which will be very useful for all the upcoming agri-competitive exams. So let's start. Question number first, the botanical name of cotton. The botanical name of cotton, it is Gossypium species. Cotton belongs to the family of Malvaceae and the origin place of cotton, it is India. Fourth question, Gossypium arboreum and Gossypium herbaceum. This both the species, they are desi cotton. Cotton, it is grouped into two categories, that is the desi cotton and American cotton. So under the category of desi cotton, two species comes, that is the Gossypium arboreum and Gossypium herbaceum. And under the category of American cotton, again two species are there, that is the Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadans. So now we will have a look towards question number 5, that is the chromosome number in Gossypium arboreum and Gossypium herbaceum, it is 2n is equal to 26. Gossypium arboreum, it is a coarse and short fiber. The length of fiber, it is 1.25 to 2.10 centimeter, and it is generally used for making mattresses and for mixing with wool and staple cotton. Gossypium herbaceum, the fiber length, it is 1.25 to 2.30 centimeter. Have a look to our question number 6. Gossypium barbadans, it is also known as, and the answer is Sea Island cotton. Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadans, they have the chromosome number, that is the 2n is equal to 52. Eighth question, American cotton, it is Gossypium hirsutum. Gossypium hirsutum, it is generally called as American cotton. The fiber length, it is 1.80 to 3.10 centimeter, and the flowers, they are creamy white when opened, but soon they turn in pink color. Ninth question, highest fiber length in, and the answer is Gossypium barbadans. Gossypium barbadans, it is also known as Sea Island cotton or Egyptian cotton or Sudan cotton, and the fiber length, it is 3.6 to 5.0 centimeter, which is the maximum fiber length in case of all the species of cotton. 10th question, cotton, it is also known as, the alternate names of cottons, they are white gold or king of appraisal fiber. 11th question, cultivated cotton, it is in annual. The cotton, it is a annual crop. 12th question, the color of desi cotton, it is dull or brown, and the color of American cotton, it is creamy white. 14th question, which crop is often cross-pollinated, deep-rooted and possess tap-root system? And the answer is cotton. Cotton often cross-pollinated, deep-rooted and has tap-root system in it. 15th question, the oil content in cotton seed varies from 14.5% to 25.6%. Question number 16, cotton seed contains protein. The answer is 20% of protein, it is present in cotton seed, and the lint percentage in protein, it is 33% lint. 18th question, the toxic pigment or the phenol compound which is present in cotton seed, and the answer is gossypol. Gossypol, it is a toxic pigment which is present in cotton seed. 19th question, the long outgrowth forms, and the answer is staple or lint, and the shorter outgrowth form, it is known as furze. 21, weight of one bale of cotton, and the answer is 170 kg. 22. Cotton, it is highly sensitive to. The cotton, it is highly sensitive to 2,4-D and glyphosate. 23. Common weedicide which is used in cotton, it is diuron. It is the common weedicide which is used in case of cotton. 24. Which is a 2,4-D resistance cotton gene? Gene TFDA, it is resistance to 2,4-D herbicides. 25th, the appearance of flower bud in cotton, it is known as square. 26th, the separation of fiber from the seed cotton, it is known as ginning. Ginning, it is the process through which we separate the fiber from the seed cotton. 27, the general ginning ranges, it is in the range of 30 to 35%. 28th question, seed after removing lint, it is cotton seed, and seed plus lint, it is seed cotton. 30th question, the best soil for cotton cultivation, and the answer is black soil. It is most suited for the cultivation of cotton. 31, the fiber length and fiber fineness, this both they are the genetic traits. 32, the fiber maturity, it is measured by, and the answer is aleurometer. 33, fiber thickness, it is measured by is nappiness. 34, the spinning performance, it is measured by, and the answer is number of counts. 35th, staple length and fiber length of cotton, it is measured by which method? And the answer is halo measurement method. Through this method we can measure the length as well as fiber length of cotton. 36th, the strength, it is measured by, and the answer is stellometer or Presley strength tester. Through this we can measure the strength. 37th, the degree of formation of cellulose in fiber of thickening of its cell wall, it is known as its maturity. 38th question, treating the fibers with 18% of caustic soda and examine under microscope. This is nothing but the maturity test of cotton. 39th question, short fiber, they remain attached to seed after ginning. That short fiber, it is known as tinter. 40th question, if fiber average weight is below 3 microgram, then it is known as very fine fiber. Various classifications are there in case of fiber length, which we will discuss later. 41, fiber is very strong when the breaking point is more than 95 kg per square centimeter. 42, the nutrient management in case of cotton, it is 100 to 120 is to 30, 20 to 30 is to 150 to 20, that is the NP and zinc ratio. The water requirement in case of cotton, it is 50 to 65 centimeter, and the number of counts which are present in Indian cotton, it is 22 counts, and in best quality cotton the number of counts, it is 80 to 400 counts. 46th question, which is an elongation or outgrowth of an epidermal cell of seed coat, what is it called? And the answer is cotton fiber. It is nothing but the outgrowth of an epidermal cell of seed coat. 47, number of fibers in one seed, and the answer is 60,000 to 80,000 of fibers that are present in one seed. 48th question, genetic traits of cotton for fiber quality, it is fiber length and fiber fineness, they are the genetic traits of cotton. 49, how many cotton species are cultivated out of 20 species? And the answer is only 4 species they are cultivated out of 20 species: Gossypium arboreum, Herbaceum hirsutum, and Barbadans. 50. Which is the only country in the world where all 4 species of cotton are grown on a commercial scale besides hybrid? And the answer is India. India grows all type of species of cotton on commercial scale. Now we will discuss the area counts. Hybrid area, it is 40%. Gossypium hirsutum, it occupies 36% of total cultivated area of cotton. Gossypium arboreum, it is 16%. Gossypium herbaceum, it is 8%, and Gossypium barbadans area, it is 0.2%. Means this much area the cultivation of cotton species takes place. 56th question, short staple length, and the answer is greater than 19.5 mm. So these all are the categorization of staple length of cotton. First one, it is the short staple length. Second, medium staple length. Third one, it is the superior medium length. And fourth one, long staple length. And the last one, it is the superior length of cotton. So short staple length, it is less than 19.5 mm. In case of medium staple length, it is 20 to 21.5 mm. Superior medium length, it is 22 to 24.5 mm. And long staple length, it is 24.5 to 26.5 mm. And the superior length, it is greater than 27 mm. Here we will have a discussion regarding the varieties of cotton. Gossypium arboreum species. The varieties of Gossypium arboreum, it is Lohit and Virnar. These are the varieties of Gossypium arboreum. Gossypium herbaceum variety, it is Sanjay and Digvijay. Ganganagar Argenti and Bikaneri Nerma. These are the varieties of Gossypium hirsutum. And the varieties of Gossypium barbadans, it is Suveen and Sujata. 65th question, which is the first spinning variety of Egyptian cotton which is released in India? And the answer is Sujata. It is the first spinning variety of Egyptian cotton which was released in India. 66th, intraspecific hybrid of hirsutum, and the answer is Savita and Surya. These are the intraspecific hybrid of hirsutum. 67, which is the first intraspecific hybrid variety? And the answer is H4. It was first commercially a hybrid variety of cotton. It was developed in the world by crossing G67 into American nectarless by Dr. Patel of Gujarat Agricultural University in Surat in the year 1970, and it is a cross of intra hirsutum. Okay. 68th question, we have discussed that H4, it is a cross of G67 into American nectarless. H4 was the first hybrid of cotton developed in the world by, and the answer, it was developed by Dr. C.T. Patel in 1970. 70 question, the father of hybrid cotton, and the answer is Dr. C.T. Patel. He is the father of hybrid cotton. 71, which is the first interspecific hybrid between Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadans which was released from USA, Dharwad, and the answer is Varlakshmi. Varlakshmi, it was the first interspecific hybrid between the Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium barbadans, and it was released from USA. And it was released from UAS, which is in Dharwad, Karnataka. 72, which was first developed in 1987 and it was released for commercial cultivation for the first time in the world in 1996 and introduced in India it is in 2002. And the answer is BT cotton. BT cotton, it was first time developed in USA by Monsanto in the year 1987 and it was introduced in India in 2002. The BT cotton, it is effective again. BT cotton, it is effective again. Bollworm pest complex of cotton. 74th, BT cotton in India. It was given by Dr. C.D. May. He is also known as the father of BT cotton in India. Now here we will get information about the seed rate for Desi cotton, American cotton, hybrid cotton and BT cotton. So in case of Desi cotton, the seed rate it is 10 to 18 kg. In case of American cotton, the seed rate it is 15 to 25 kg. Hybrid cotton seed rate it is 2 to 3 kg and the BT cotton seed rate it is 1 to 1.5%. Next, we will discuss about the spacing in cotton. The spacing in case of Desi cotton it is 67.5 into 30 centimeter. For hybrid cotton, the spacing it is 100 to 60 centimeter. For American cotton, the spacing it is 67.5 into 30 centimeter. So these are all the spacing for Desi, American and hybrid. 82. The plant population per hectare for BT cotton and the answer is 10,000. Optimum plant population it is 50,000 to 80,000. 84. They are asking about what is done with concentrate sulfuric acid in the ratio of acid to cotton seed about 1:10 and the answer is delenting or diffusing. It is done with concentrate sulfuric acid in the ratio of acid to cotton seed about 1:10. 85. Which helps in grading the seed, kills hibernating insect stages, destroys the diseased pathogen and makes the seed easy to sowing and germinate rapidly. And the answer is delenting and diffusing. It is done with concentric sulfuric acid, helps in grading the seed, kills hibernated insect stages, destroys the diseased pathogen and makes the seed easy to sowing and germinates rapidly. 86th question. The vegetative branches, they are known as monopodial and reproductive branches, they are sympodial. Now we will discuss about the sowing time of cotton. Till now we have looked about the cotton seed rate, cotton spacing, varieties of cotton, and now we will have a discussion regarding the sowing time of cotton. 88th question it is North India sowing time. In North India, the cotton it is sown in the month of first fortnight of May. Central India sowing time it is last week of June to first week of July. And in Tamil Nadu, the sowing time it is September to October. 91 question. The concept of ultra narrow row, that is UNR, it was developed in, and the answer is USA. It was developed in USA. 92. In ultra narrow row, the row to row and plant to plant spacing it is kept, that is 19 centimeter into 19 centimeter. 93 question. Keeping a plant population per hectare in ultra narrow row and the answer is 2,77,000. The concept of UNR, it was developed in USA, and row to row and plant to plant spacing which is kept in UNR, it is 19 centimeter into 19 centimeter, and a plant population per hectare, it is 2,77,000. Question number 94. The removal of terminal growing point once from each plant at a height of 1 to 1.2 meter to protect further terminal growth and to encourage the sympodial branching and good gall development. This is known as topping. In topping, we are removing the terminal growing point from each plant at a height of 1 to 1.2 meter for further terminal growth and to encourage the sympodial branching and good gall development. 95th question. Finger leaf disease, it is caused by, and the answer is 2,4-D. It is caused by 2,4-D. 96th question. The extra long staple variety, and the answer is MCU 5. It is the extra long staple variety. 97. Tirak or bad ball opening or premature defective opening of balls, it is due to on light sandy or in alkali soil. It is due to early sowing and water stress. It occurs in case of light sandy or alkali soil. 98th question. Little leaf in cotton, it is due to zinc deficiency, and due to manganese toxicity, wrinkle leaf of cotton takes place. 100th question. More susceptible for red leaves, that is they turns red and they rolled downwards, and the answer is American cotton. Next question, it is 101 question. Cotton, it is native to, and the answer is India. Thinning, it should be done in cotton at 15th day. Nipping should be done in cotton at 80 to 90 days after sowing. Cotton, it is highly tolerant to soil salinity, and maximum seed cotton yield has been recorded in deep soil. In deep soil, the cotton gives maximum yield. 106th question. The depth for maximum seed cotton yield in greater than 90 centimeter. Soil depth, it should be greater than 60 centimeter, and the optimum pH for the cultivation of cotton, it is 5.5 to 8. Daily minimum temperature which is required for the germination of cotton seeds, it is 16 degrees Celsius, and the temperature which is required for vegetative growth, it is 21 degrees Celsius, and for the ball development, it is 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. 112th question. Suitable daytime temperature for bud formation and flowering, it is greater than 20 degrees Celsius. Night temperature for bud formation and flowering, it is greater than 20 degrees Celsius. The mean relative humidity for cotton, it is 70%. Fiber elongation process, it is completed by 21 to 24 days. The peak flowering stage of cotton, it is 70 to 100 days after sowing, and normal squares occurs after 35 to 70 days after sowing. Cotton ball attains 90% size within 15 to 18 days. Within this duration, the cotton ball attains 90% size. Cotton ball mature size is attained within 25 days. 120. How many days flowering takes place after first square formation? The answer is 20 to 35 days. Germination takes place in 4 to 7 days after sowing, and cotton, it is the backbone of textile industry. How much world's fiber need is met with from cotton, and the answer is approximately 50% of the world's fiber need is met from cotton. What percentage supply by cotton of world's edible oil? The answer is 10%. What percentage of BT cotton in total cotton area? 81% of cotton, BT cotton is 81% of area it is occupied by BT cotton. Southern Ethiopian cotton, it is Gossypium herbaceum. South American cotton, it is Gossypium barbadans, and South America cotton, it is also known as Egyptian cotton. Central American cotton, it is Gossypium hirsutum, and Gossypium hirsutum, it is also known as American cotton. Now here we will have a discussion regarding the botanical name of the pest the insects which are associated with cotton. Pink bollworm, which is the most destructive, and its botanical name it is Pectinophora gossyphila. The scientific name of spotted bollworm it is Iris vitella. American bollworm it is Helicoverpa armigera. Red cotton bug it is Cingulatus, and the botanical name of whitefly it is Bemisia tabaci. Aphids it is Apis gossypi. Leaf roller it is Silpleta derogata. Cotton jacids it is Amarasca bicutula. Fusarium wilt it is caused by, and the answer is Fusarium oxysporium. Anthracnose it is caused by Coleodotrichum gossypi, and the seed treatment for anthracnose with agrocin it is 2.5 means 2.5 at the rate of kg per seed. Bacterial blight or angular leaf spot, its botanical name is Xanthomonas malvacearum. Bacterial blight it is an internally seed-borne disease, and the seed treatment for bacterial blight or angular leaf spot it is streptomycin. Now we will have a discussion regarding the history of cotton. Cotton it is cultivated for more than 500 years in the Indus Valley. The cultivation of cotton, which is spread from India to cotton and then from Spain and Italy. Every evidence shows that India is the origin of cotton. The development in agriculture in the 16th century, the introduction of crops like potato, sweet potato, tomato, chilies from India, and then cotton it was introduced eastward to China and westward to Egypt around 60 AD, but it was probably not cultivated there as a field crop for textile purpose until the 13th or 14th century. Now we will see about the seasons and varieties. Winter irrigated, summer irrigated, short duration varieties, medium duration varieties, rain fed and rice fallow varieties. Winter irrigated it is MCU 5, MCU 9, MCU 11, Subin HB 224, Jayalakshmi, TCHB 213. Summer irrigated it is MCU 5, MCU 9, LRA 5166 and SB PR1. And next you can have a look. Land preparation we will see. For the cultivation of cotton, the field it is plowed and it is prepared to a fine tilth, and we can make the application of 12.5 tons FIM, that is the farmyard manure per hectare, as a basal dose. In the cotton field we can make ridges and furrows. They are formed at 10 meter long with the various spacing. We are applying 50% of nitrogen and full dose of phosphorus and potassium it is applied basically, and remaining 50% it is applied at the basal stage, or we can say at the squaring stage. Application of 12.5 kg of micronutrient mixture, it is also recommended. And azospirillum, it is recommended for cotton, sugarcane and oilseeds. Acid delenting, we will see, that is it delenting, it is commercially done with the help of concentrated H2SO4 at 100 ml per hectare of fuzzy seeds. And the seed, it is completely digested, and the seed coat, they attains a dark brown color of coffee seeds after rusting. Disease management, we will have a look. We can control the BLB, that is the bacterial leaf blight, by the application of copper oxychloride 2.5 kg per hectare. We can control the Alternaria leaf blight by the application of mancozeb 1.0 kg per hectare. We can control ball rot by application of carbendazim at 500 grams. Root rot by the spot application of carbendazim at 1 gram per liter. Then have a look towards the pest management, weed management, irrigation management. We can see we have to apply irrigation at the germination stage, vegetative stage, flowering stage. Germination stage, they appears after 1 to 15 days, 16 to 44 days and 45 to 100 days. Sowing, we will see that winter irrigated, summer rice fallow, rain fed cotton. Here we will have a look towards some of the advanced point related to cotton. Plant height, it is 1.5 to 2 meter. Leaves with 7 lobes. Leaves and twigs, they are pubescent, and fibers, they are coarse and short with the length of 1.25 to 2.10 centimeter. And the species, it is Gossypium arboreum. The plant height, it is 1 to 1.5 meter. Leaves and twigs, they are sparsely hairy. Leaves, they have 3 to 6 lobe, and the fiber length, it is 1.25 to 2.30 centimeter. And the species, it is Gossypium herbaceum. Plant are 1.5 meter tall. Leaves and twigs are densely hairy, and the leaves, they have 3 to 5 lobes, and the fiber length, it is 1.8 to 3.1 centimeter. The species, it is Gossypium hirsutum. Plants, they are 2.5 meter long. Leaves are deeply lobed with 3 to 5 lobes, and fiber length, it is 3.6 to 5.0 centimeter, and the length is readily detachable from the seeds. And the variety species, it is Gossypium barbadense. Cotton is a which season crop? Cotton, it is a warm season crop. Cotton, it cannot withstand the frost, and its cultivation, it is restricted only up to 1000 meter altitude. Why? Because it cannot withstand the frost. Cotton, it can be successfully grown on all soils except sandy, saline and waterlogged soil. Cotton seed cake after oil extraction is a good organic manure and contains percentage of NPK, contains 6:3:2. Nipping, it is done beyond 15 node at 70 to 80 days after sowing. Nipping is done beyond the 15th node. The cotton are picked from well burst balls in the dash, and harvesting is done at the 7th day interval. It is done in the morning hours up to 10 to 11 am. The critical or the sensitive stages of cotton, it is flowering and the ball formation stages. They are the sensitive stages of cotton. And reddening of leaves in cotton, they occurs due to manganese deficiency. And the cotton seed cake manure, that is the NPK, it is 6.9 is to 3.1 is to 1.6. And the cotton seed cake, it is undecorated, it is 3.6 into 2.5 is to 1.6. Picking process, it is done in cotton, vegetables, brinjal, bhendi and chili. In all these crops, the picking process, it is done. Cotton and rice. This both they are the subtropical crops. Castor in cotton, groundnut act as crop for armyworm paste. It acts as a trap crop. Rice, cotton, ragi, cotton, sorghum. It is the sequential cropping. It is the example of sequential cropping system. Cotton and bersim, example of relay cropping. Soybean with cotton, parallel cropping. Mesta around sugarcane, sorghum around cotton, and safflower around gram. These are the guard crop or the barrier crop. Cotton plus black gram or green gram, it is the companion cropping. Deep rooted crop, that is the cotton, maize, and sorghum. The duration of cotton, it is 140 to 200 days, and cotton, it is grown mainly as a upland. It is grown on the upland soil. This cotton crop, it is tolerant to alkali and sodic soil, and it is sensitive to the soil moisture condition. Ridges and furrows, they are practiced in a wide row spaced crop like dances, cotton, maize, chilies, and tomato. Cotton, jute, mesta, potato, onion, sugarcane, these all are the cash crops. The cotton lint production, it is 1/3 of kapas production. The cotton seed production, it is 2/3 of kapas production. And oils to seed crush, the percentage, it is 14 to 18 percentage. And cake to seed crushed, and the answer is 82 to 86 percentage. Friends, this was all about the one liner questions of cotton crops. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam.